Okay, Mr. Wagner. Today I have my cat. Her name is Luna, and she's a baby. She's 0 years old, and I'm gonna let her go now.
Okay. You want to show me your next thing?
Okay, so today I have a bunch of Legos, and on my daddy's phone it's an app, and well, this guy, he's from a park. He's from a park. She's from the park, and
Go nice and slow and show the camera's right up here.
he's
You see that? Go, so look at show 'em. You can put it right by the green dot. Do you see the green dot? Good.
a skeleton. Okay, now no, but this guy, he's Pip. He's Pip. He's from Tot, because I watched this before. And we have a baby. Her name is Pearl, and she's a little stuffy, and Pip is my stuffy. So, want me to show you my Mario? Okay, I'll show you. He's right here. Mario, Bullsig, he throws ice and stuff. And one more thing to show you. It's a Simpsons toy.
I think you got it. Okay.
Bye-bye, Mr. Waiter. I hope I see you when everyone's not getting sick. Bye.